I was kind of getting bored of all the regular smartwatches in the market, but today we have something exclusive in the house. This is a very durable and rugged smartwatch from Promate. Model is called as Xwatch R19, and this thing literally has like all A to Z features you might be looking on a watch. First of all, it comes with like a very large 1.53-inch HD resolution display, has Bluetooth calling support, and comes with a super big 800 milliampere battery. So this is what we'll be checking out in this video. And on top of that, best part about the video is I will literally give this watch to a lucky subscriber on the channel. All you need to do is like this video, share it, and also don't forget to click the notifications bell icon on. And once this video hits like 3000 likes, I will randomly select a subscriber from the comment section down below and give it to him. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new rugged smartwatch from Promate came in this sort of box packaging, huge packaging. You have the Promate branding over here, a beautiful picture of the watch on the front. And by the way, this particular model is available in 3 different colors. Today in the house we have the green color edition. On the front you can check out all of its main highlights, and as I've told you, this is like a premium rugged smartwatch and features a very big 1.53-inch edge-to-edge HD display. We'll get there and talk about that in a moment. First, let's get started with the unboxing. And there you go boys, as soon as you open it, we actually have an accessories packet at the top, which includes a user manual with complete details on the product. Looks like a mini book, I would say. Keeping that aside, you're also getting a free included screen guard for your smartwatch. Really appreciate that. And finally boys, here's the smartwatch we've been waiting for. And my god, look at the size of this thing. Macho looking design, right? We'll get back in a moment. The watch also comes with an extra pair of straps in different color. Plus you're also getting a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging. And look at this, you're actually having a spare charging cable also. Yeah, looks like Promate has like stuffed a lot of accessories in this box. And lastly, you're getting 2 mini screwdrivers used for replacing the straps on the watch. So that's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the smartwatch and first talk about the design and build quality. As I've told you guys, Promate Xwatch R19 is a premium rugged smartwatch. And my god, just look at the size of this thing. Colossal smartwatch, guys. I mean, the body looks so huge, right? Even my wrist looks small in front of it. Anyways, watch looks quite premium for the price that you're paying. Looks solid and durable and definitely has some weight to it. Starting off with the display, the watch comes with a 1.53-inch large HD resolution display, and that too with up to 600 nits of brightness. Look at the design as well. The top bezel looks like entirely made of metal, and that too has like a nice brushed metallic finish. It says sport watch at the top and says water resist on the bottom. The watch is actually IP67 rated, dust and water resistant. Apart from the bezel, looks like the rest of the body is made of like very solid and durable polycarbonate body. Talking about the buttons, you're getting 2 buttons over here. The top one is a multifunction / power button, I believe, and the bottom one is your back / sport activity button. And don't forget, it also supports Bluetooth calling, right? So you're getting onboard microphone and speaker. Mic is in between these 2 buttons and the speaker is present on the other side. Going to the back side, here's how the back profile looks like. You got the Promate branding, your HR sensor and other stuff over here, including charging contacts on the bottom side. Talking about the straps, quality of the straps is also nice. Very good quality silicone straps, and that too has like a nice textured pattern on it. And good thing, as I've told you, they're very easily replaceable using the mini screwdriver included in the package. So that's it. That was our complete overview on the design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly power it on, use it for some time, and then be back to continue this video. In the meantime, let me talk about the comfort and the in-hand feel. Despite the looks, the watch actually feels quite comfortable while wearing for long-term usage. It is roughly around like 90-95 grams in weight, slightly on the heavier side, but don't worry, it is definitely a head turner, guys. I really love this rugged premium design that Promate is offering. Anyways, let me give you a closer look and first talk about the display quality on the smartwatch. As I've told you, it comes with a large 1.53-inch round dial HD quality display, and quality of the display is very good for the price that you're paying. Good amount of detail. You're getting 360 by 360 resolution and everything looks crisp and clear no matter what sort of content you're watching. Either it be detail on the watch face, any sort of messages or even apps and features, right? Everything is like easily readable. Talking about the colors are also nice. It is producing good and accurate looking colors, but for this price point I would have really appreciated if the brand would have offered AMOLED display. But okay, overall contrast levels, black levels were decent and viewing angles are also good. Picture looks the same no matter matter from which direction you're checking out. And now coming to the brightness, the panel on the smartwatch can really go up to like 550 600 nits of brightness, and I had no issues checking out the display even in like bright outdoor situation, guys. See, for the price that you're paying, you will definitely be happy and satisfied with the display. First of all, let me just power on the smartwatch and show you the home screen and talk about the built-in apps and features you're getting over here. And one more thing, if you can observe in the video, is look at the bezels. There are very minimum bezels on the display, guys. It looks almost edge to edge, guys, and gives a very premium look and feel. Anyways, coming to the home screen, here's how the watch face on it looks like. There are plenty of watch faces available on this model. A couple of them already came pre-installed over here, but not to worry, you can download even more watch faces very easily using Promate's compatible app on your phone. Talking about the touch quality, everything was working fine, and overall performance of the watch also has been decent. I didn't face any sorts of lags and stutters even while opening and closing of apps. And swiping down on the home screen gives you access to your notifications and status panel. Here you've got plenty of information like the current battery level and Bluetooth connection status. Plus you can directly access a couple of shortcuts like brightness adjustment and other settings. Swiping up on the home screen gives you access to your messages and notifications. Here you can check out all your recent missed calls and any sort of messages you got on your phone. Swiping right on the home screen gives you access to your recently used app. Your full apps list is also available. And swiping left on the home screen gives you access to all the widgets available on this watch. You've got big list over here like the current day-to-day fitness activity levels, plus you're getting all your health related features like HR measurements, stress level measurements, sleep monitoring, and a couple of other stuff. And as I've told you, these are also customizable as per your requirement and taste. Now suppose if you want to access the complete list of apps present on this smartwatch, you can do that by swiping right on the home screen and clicking on this dot buttons on the bottom right corner. And there you go, now you have the complete list of apps and features available on this watch. There's a big list, guys, and starting off, first main highlight is this smartwatch supports Bluetooth calling. It literally has like a dialer pad from where you can dial in any number and talk to that person from the smartwatch itself. We'll come and talk about the built-in microphone and speaker quality in a moment. Going forward, plenty of health related features are also there like 24/7 HR monitoring, SpO2, stress level measurement, BP prediction, and the complete list is available. Moving forward, you've got your exercises and sport activities built in. The watch supports almost like 100 plus sport activities like walking, cycling, treadmill, and a couple of outdoor activities as well. Moving forward, you've got your remote camera shutter as well. Remote music player is also there. All your alarms, timer, stopwatch function is available, and calculator app is also built into this smartwatch. So almost like A to Z features, so everything is available over here. And these are your general settings. From here you can adjust a couple of things like display brightness, raise to wake function, watch face settings, menu view style, and a couple of other settings. In the vibration settings, you can adjust the ringer mode or maybe like adjust the vibration intensity. So that's it, our complete overview on the built-in apps and features. So now let's talk about the health related features. Promate's R19 smartwatch has like complete health suit package available. You're getting 24/7 HR measurement, blood oxygen SpO2 is also there, BP prediction, stress level measurement, all of these functions are built in. And as I've told you, I've been using the smartwatch for the last couple of days, 4 to 5 days, and all the functions were working well and giving accurate results almost 85-90% of the time. Alright, now comes the main part. I'm pretty sure you people are excited to know about the Bluetooth call quality experience, right? Yes, it does have a built-in microphone and speaker, and you can directly do calls over here without even taking out your phone. Again, for this you'll definitely need to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth and need to have that Promate app installed. Once you do that, right, there you go, you have like a built-in dialer. From here you can dial in any number and talk to that person from the smartwatch itself. Apart from that, you do have like favorite contact list where you can save up to 10 of your favorite contacts for one tap Bluetooth calling. And talking about the microphone quality, good quality mic, I would say. Other person was clearly able to hear and understand what I was saying, just like any other smartphone experience only. And coming to the speaker quality was nice. It was producing crisp and clear audio. I was able to easily understand what the other person was speaking, but I felt output of the speaker was slightly tad a bit less. So if you're using it especially in like outdoor situations, right, you might need to keep the watch very close to your ear. But indoor sort of situations, very good experience.
మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ ఉపయోగంలో లేదు. దయచేసి మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ని సరిచూసుకోండి. The dialed number does not exist. Please check the number you have dialed.
We're almost coming to an end, so let me talk about the battery life as well. Promate Xwatch R19 features like a very big 800 mAh lithium polymer battery, and battery life on this watch is actually very good. On a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to 50-55%, you're doing a bit of health related monitoring, a couple of Bluetooth calls once in a time, and slight fitness related activities, you can easily get around like 12 to 14 days per charge. And if you're talking about the standby time, it has an insane standby time of up to 70 to 80 days. Well, that's it boys, our video on Promate's Xwatch R19. Beautiful looking smartwatch, and main highlight is the design. You're getting a military style rugged and durable body, and it's also IP67 dust and water resistant. Plus display quality is also nice. You're getting a large 1.53 inch HD resolution display, and all A to Z features are there, including Bluetooth calling, and also really good battery life as well. This smartwatch costs around like 5,499 rupees, and links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got complete details on the product, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel guys for more such awesome content. And I'll see you all in my next one.